All right, a very quiet evening here in the Southern Valley, and for you in the far north in northwest Minnesota, where afternoon temperatures were in the teens. You too starting to warm up, even though just a pinch. 27 right now, the temperature out at Hector. Wind at 8 miles per hour from the south and east. Here we have 20s in northwest Minnesota, where afternoon teens were present. It's cooled down to 16 in both Cavalier, Grand Forks, and Jamestown this hour, but you're surrounded by neighbors in the 20s, including Fargo and Fergus Falls right now, one of the warm spots at 28 degrees. Part of the reason we're warming is a little bit of mixing thanks to the surface winds, but we do have some clouds mainly north of Highway 2 tonight that are pushing in, and those radiate some warmth our way. More clouds are on the way, but as we take a look out toward the west coast, a big double-barreled low-pressure system off in the Pacific Ocean, throwing quite a bit of Pacific moisture into the northwestern United States. We'll deal with that more as we head through the latter portion of the week. But for tonight, passing clouds, enough wind to keep things mixed up in our atmosphere, and temperatures in the 20s for most to start your day. Warming up by the midday hour, more sun to the west of the Red River, some exiting clouds off to the east. However, another wild day with temperatures well above average. Seasonally, we're around those low 20s, upper teens up north for average temperatures for highs in the afternoon. And by the afternoon tomorrow, there'll be a shot at 40-degree readings in southeast North Dakota, and plenty of melting going on up north with some low 30s to mid 30s for some of you, although briefly. And very quiet for the most part. We'll see mostly sunny skies in the latter portion of the day. 22 when you're heading out the door on your way to work. Wind from the southwest, not too strong. Temperatures peaking very close to 40 in the mid-afternoon. Well, we're expecting the coolest weather in northern Minnesota, where we still have a field of snow outdoors. It does look like we're going to expect temperatures, though, to peak near 30 degrees. Now, late week on Friday, chance of some sprinkles of rain thanks to some mild air conditions. And then as we head into the weekend right before the holiday, it looks like we will have a chance of some snow showers making their way in from the west coast. Those will have their best chance late Friday night and into Saturday. There could be some accumulation, so that means slippery roads could be the rule for some of us as we head toward the weekend right before Christmas. Paul capturing a very colorful setting sun in Campbell. Thanks for uploading your photo, Paul. Here's a look at the planning forecast. For those of you who have been fans of the mild weather, the next 2 days look delightful. Wednesday, we do have a chance of some wintry mix or maybe even some sprinkles of rain. It cools us off, though. Late week, low 30s for Fargo. That's still 10 degrees above average. Then, as we go into Saturday, will be a chance of some accumulating snow across the region and another chance of accumulating snow for Christmas Eve into Christmas Day.
Sounds pretty good to me.
Indeed.
Thanks.
As the